Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in vote to delist on Binance. As you know, there are two new features on Binance. There is vote to list and vote to delist. I already make a video about how to vote to list. Now I will show you how to vote to delist. First, you can open your Binance apps and you can go to Discover and you can see there is Binance Square Official and there is vote to delist event. You can click it, and as you can see, the uh, everyone can vote for up to 5 projects for to delist, and the limit you have to at least have 0.01 BNB to participate, and there is 7 days period to vote. You can scroll down and you can vote up to 5 projects. I already did it, so yeah. So if you want to participate, you can do it now. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.